So, hi dear Gemini, it's a 7 day, 7 Oshus and Tarot messages for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 12th till the 18th of May. Okay, want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self-Love Course, 2 links are given below in the description box. So, let's start. Okay, Gemini. 12th of May, we have the courage. Okay, in order to achieve something that is totally different, that nobody might be able to understand, you have to stand for yourself. You have to take the leap of faith. You have to have the strength and the courage to do something differently, because even if somebody else is not able to understand your energies and your point of view, you will be able to get the good results of your hard work in the coming future for sure. Just dare to be different and have the courage and the strength to stand for yourself. Okay, 13th of May, we have the possibilities. Now, on the 13th of May, you might not be able to see the clear picture of the future ahead of you, or you might not be able to see the possibilities that are around you right now. But in this picture, the sun is going down, but the sun is bound to come up also, okay, someday. And definitely, you will be able to see the clear picture of the future ahead of you very, very positively. It's just have the hope and the courage and the strength, okay, to keep going. Do not give up, Gemini, please. 12, 13, 14th, we have the dream. Now, 14th, you are going to have this illusion that somebody else or a romantic partner is going to help you to heal, and they are going to fulfill your life with all the rosy color kind of tinted glasses kind of energy, and everything is going to be fine. It's just the dream, it's just the illusion. And being loved by somebody and feeling like somebody else have the key to our happiness is the last illusion that you have to break in order to be really happy. So you have to work on this illusion of yours where you are feeling that somebody else or something else is going to make you happy. No outer force, outer energy have the first of all responsibility, and second have the energy to keep anybody happy forever. It's not possible. Not possible. You are going to definitely get hurt. It's just the last illusion that you have to break. Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15th, we have the compromise. In order to find a solution to a problem, you guys have to find a middle ground, okay, in a situation. So maybe something or someone is very important for you, but you guys are right now or are not on the same page. So you have to find a middle ground in order to maintain the peace or find the solution. Otherwise, it's going to fall apart. Something is going to fall apart here if you are not going to come on the same find a middle ground or come to the compromising kind of solution. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16th, we have the patience. Gemini, it's very important for you guys to be patient anyways in your life, but on this particular day you might be losing your mind. You might be getting impatient in a particular situation, and you are not able to find yourself in a comfortable position while you have to wait for something or someone to show up in your life. It's like your hard work is going to give you good results, but patience is the key here. Okay, like a child develops in 9 months, you have to have the patience for a situation to develop fully so that you can get the results. Patience is the key. 17th, we have the laziness. Now on the 17th, you have this energy of, okay, let me just have fun, let me just lie on my bed and do nothing. Okay, do not procrastinate the important things that you should be finishing on that day only, because otherwise you are going to have a lot to finish and you are going to get it's like you're going to feel burnt out, or you're going to feel oh my god, why the hell I was lazy, why the hell I was not able to fulfill my work, my duties at that time only. So procrastination for important things is not recommended at all on this day. 18th of May, we have the source. Now the whole universe is going to be giving you a lot of energy, giving you a lot of science and synchronicities and symbols in order to move forward in a particular direction. So the divine is with you. The divine got your back. The important things, the important chapter, the important energies that you want in your life to move ahead, it's going to be there for you guys. Energies are fully available. Make good use of this day. Especially if you are looking forward to have spiritual growth, this day is very, very important for you guys, and you're going to get help also. You're going to get the courage and the strength also. Okay, good to go. So thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.